Welcome to Tech Leveler. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on iPhone and iPad. So if you want to time something, so for instance like how long you can hold your breath or how long you can run 100 yards, then this is the video for you. First let's launch the clock application, and here it's currently on the alarm, so what we want to do is tap on the bottom here on the stopwatch. Now first things first, before we move on, you can swipe left on this time icon at the top here and you can make it an analog clock. So you can have it like this or like that. So choose which one you want. It all functions the same, whichever one you choose. So let's keep it like that for this purpose. So to start the stopwatch, first what you want to do is click this big start button and your stopwatch will start. Now how to stop the stopwatch. Make sure the stopwatch is running, of course, and then tap stop, and that will stop the stopwatch. To resume the stopwatch, just press start again, and this will resume the stopwatch. Now let's look at how to set a lap time in the stopwatch. So again, let's start the stopwatch, and then let's tap on lap, and this will start another lap, but the overall time at the top here will carry on. And then again we can add another lap if we wish. And you can keep adding laps by pressing the lap button, and then you can press stop once you've finished whatever you're doing. And you can see the overall time at the top here is how long the stopwatch has been running, and underneath is each lap, how long each one has taken. Now the last thing you want to do is to clear the stopwatch. So let's say we no longer need all this information. What we want to do is stop the stopwatch running if it was running, and then select reset here on the left, and that resets the stopwatch. So just for this video, if we swipe left on the analog clock, as you can see, we press start, it starts just like an old stopwatch, and we can press lap. As you can see, it all works very similar to the last one. And you can press stop and then reset it again with the reset button. So that's how to use a stopwatch on the iPhone or the iPad, whichever one you're using. If you want to learn how to use all the other applications within the clock app on your iPhone or iPad, then check out this video here. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.